algebraic expressions. You say algebraic expressions or you say polynomials. Okay, first of all, I will start with algebraic expressions only. Okay, if you combine, you know what? In algebra as well, you use same symbols like you use in arithmetic. Plus, minus, multiply, division. Like you add arithmetic, you add constants. Algebra as well uses these symbols only for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So a combination of constants, variables and operations is known as algebraic expressions. That means if I write 2 and I subtract and I write a variable, what is this now? This is an algebraic expression, right? So if I write 3, I multiply, I write a variable. This is what is this? This is algebraic expression. So these type of structures where we have 2 minus x, I have 4 plus x, I have 5 divided by z, something like that, where I combine constants, variables and operations are known as algebraic expressions. Okay. So here what do we have? We will do questions now. Question is, write algebraic expression for first 5 more than a number x. 5 more than means if I say I will give you 2 kroner more than your brother. Okay. So what will you get? Suppose your brother is getting 5 kroner and you are getting 2 more. So you will get 7, right? 5 plus 2, 7. What did you do for more? You added. Likewise here as well. 5 more than x. So that is x plus 5. Because for more than we add. For less than we subtract. Right? Okay. Here it is. Question B is product of y and 7. What is the meaning of product? Product mean when we multiply. Okay. Y multiply 7. And you generally write it as 7y. Okay. Y times 7 you can write. Because generally when we write expressions, what do? We write constant term first and then variable. So instead of writing y cross 7, this is also right. You can write this as well. But what do we write? 7y. Okay. Okay. If you think the speed is slow, then you can just do the speed faster. Okay. You can do that. But I want to teach it slowly so that everybody understands it. Okay. Okay. Here we have C part. 3 less than twice a number z. Okay. 3 less than, that means you will subtract 3, right? From what? Twice a number z. Twice mean 2 times z. So 2z minus 3. Are you getting it? 3 less than 2 times z. Okay. If you are understanding, do tell me in comment section. Okay. After this, we have question number 3 now. Evaluate the expression 3x plus 5 when x is equal to 4. So we have what? 3x plus 5. They are telling us what is x? X is 4, right? So 3x means 3 multiply x. Whenever I teach this in school, students generally ask, what is the meaning of 3x? 3x means x, you added x 3 times, or you can say 3 multiply x. So when you don't see any expression, any operation here in between, so you will say it's multiplication. It is 3 multiply x plus 5. Okay, 3 multiply, what is x now? X is 4, right? So 3 multiply 4 plus 5. So what is 3 multiply 4? According to BODMAS or BADMAS, what will you solve first here? You cannot add first and then multiply. You will multiply first and then add. So what is the answer? Answer is 17. Okay. So now we have another topic, second topic. First topic was fundamentals, where we learned about basic terms, constants, variables and algebraic expressions, right? Now we have classification of algebraic expressions. Okay. So first thing we have, what are terms? Terms. What is term? Suppose I write an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression, 5x plus 3y minus 7. This is an algebraic expression because in here you are combining constants, variables and operations. So this is an algebraic expression, right? What is term now? Term is parts of an expression separated by a plus or minus sign. So in here, how many terms we have? We have 5x, this is a term, 3y, this is a term, and minus 7. Okay, so how many terms we have here? You will say we have 3 terms here. 3 terms. Okay, after that, 4ab. Do you have any plus or minus sign here? No. So this is just one term. How many terms we have here? Only one term, right? Now here you see here, okay, what do we have? 2x square. We have minus 3x plus 5x minus 1, right? This is little bit tricky. You will not say this is 1 2 3 4, we have 4 terms. You will not say that. Why? Because we can see these two terms 3x and 5x are like terms. Though I haven't told you now what are like and what are unlike terms, I will introduce it further, but I'm just telling you here that these are like terms which are same. Same means they are like, okay, like 3x, 5x, they are like, okay, 3y, 5y, they are like. But I say 3x and 3y, they are not like. The variable part should be same to become like terms, okay? So here they are like terms. So if they are like terms, you will not count them as different terms. What do you do? In such cases, you just add them first. Okay, now you will say it's very hard to add them if you are in grade 7. Minus 3x plus 5x. They are like. Okay. Okay, now you remember integers. Minus 3 plus 5. What is minus 3 plus 5? Minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2. So because you have here minus 3x plus 5x, it will become 2x. Okay. X you will write as it is and minus 3 plus 5 is 2. Okay. When we add integers, how do we add them? I will write 4 examples here. Suppose you have 5 plus 3. Okay. You have minus 5 plus 3. You have minus 3 plus 5. You have minus 3 minus 5. Right? When you add integers, what do you see? You see the sign of integers. I will tell you the two methods to add integers because it is important to know addition of integers while solving algebraic expressions. Okay. Here what is 5 plus 3? Both are positive signs. So you will add them. And now when we add or subtract integers, okay, integers, then what do you do? I will write two rules here. When signs are same, you add, okay, and put that sign only, and put that sign only. Second rule is when signs are different, you subtract, okay, and put the sign of larger number. How? Here signs are same, plus 5 plus 3, so you added and wrote their sign only, plus 8. If you see here minus 3 minus 5, signs are same. 3 is negative, 5 is negative, right? It would become minus of 8. Because when signs are same, what do? We add, right? Now you see these two cases. Here we have minus 5 plus 3. Here we have minus 3 plus 5. In both of these, signs are not same. Here 5 is negative, 3 is positive. So signs are different. Here 3 is negative, 5 is positive, signs are different. In such cases, what do? You subtract. What is the difference of 5 and 3? 2. What is the difference of 5 and 3? 2. Now what will the sign of 2 here? In this case, if I see the larger number is 5, right? What is the sign of 5? Negative. In this case, if I see larger is 5, what is the sign of 5? Positive. So answer is plus 2. Are you getting my point? Okay, we will do it further as well. Here, now we have 2x square. I will write minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2x minus 1. So how many terms we have now? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 terms. Okay, we were adding terms. Okay,